Lions, Leos, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Isame Forum 2021, being hosted by Multiple District 322. I am Lion Advocate A.V. Vaman Kumar, Progressive Melvin John Fellow, from MD 318, former Council Chairperson. I am a Certified Lions Instructor Program Trainer too. Welcome to the seminar, Next Steps to Next Level. Ladies and gentlemen, I don't know whether you heard about Vinisha Uma Shankar, a girl who really excited the world through one of her speeches, or her speech on 3rd November 2021 during the 26th United Nations Climate Change Conference at Glasgow in the United Kingdom. What gave her that wonderful opportunity to go there and deliver a speech? She is a 15 years old girl from a small town called Tiruvannamale in Tamil Nadu, MD 324 in Lions Club International. While she was a small kid, she used to go with her mom, who is working as a teacher, to give the dried clothes, washed and dried clothes to a local ironing person. That local ironing person comes with a trolley type of mobile ironing mechanism, which was using the conventional charcoal system of ironing. She watched this man ironing the clothes with a lot of smoke coming inside, or breathing a lot of smoke, coughing, sweating, and it really pained her. Oh, this uncle is actually having all these difficulties to iron the clothes. Later, she started thinking, what is the remedy to that? And she created a beautiful device of making an ironing by using solar power. 5 hours of charging will help a small cart, I think, with a solar panel on the top as roof. 5 hours of charging will give an ironing man enough heat to iron the clothes the whole day. That innovation, that innovation, creative idea, made her really very, very popular, and she applied for this Earthshot Prize contest, and she became one of the 15 finalists. Prince William of Cambridge, coming to know about this innovative idea of this small girl, invited her to Glasgow during the 26th UN Climate Change Conference and gave her an opportunity to speak. She spoke to the world leaders in a very emotional way. We the youngsters are really angry to you, but she told, I don't have anger, but I have optimism. What I'm going to talk to you here, my dear Lions and Leos, a girl who did something different, a girl who thought something different, a girl who really had a proactive idea and thinking in her mind, took the world in her hands, and she got the great opportunity to speak in the presence of the US President Joe Biden, in the presence of the UK Prime Minister, in the presence of Indian Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi at Glasgow. What I'm talking, if you want to reach the next level of your life as an individual or as an organization, you have to do things differently, you have to think differently. My dear friends, Lions Club International has already completed glorious 104 years of community service. Okay, good enough. We definitely served crores and crores of people, and we really 1.1 billion American dollars were spent on our service activities through LCIF. Is it enough? Are we addressing the concerns? Are we addressing the problems of the world as much as we can? Are we attracting the new members, especially the new generation or the millennials, into Lions Club International? Please ask these soul-searching questions yourself. And when I ask this question to me, I am very candid to say you that I believe that we cannot attract the millennials and the new generation, and we have still miles and miles to go before we sleep. One day, a gentleman purchased a Rolls-Royce car, and he was using the car wonderfully well, comfortably well. After 1 year, one fine morning, The car was not getting started. He was in panic. Rolls-Royce, a customized car. Only the royal family members only buy. After 1 year of usage, such a very luxurious, costly car is not getting started. Suddenly, frantically, he called to the Rolls-Royce showroom and told that, hey, send some mechanic or your automobile engineer because my car is not getting started. Within few hours, a Rolls-Royce mechanic, automobile mechanic came to his home and he searched everything and he told the man to open the bonnet of the car. Come on. When the bonnet of the car was opened and the mechanic looked inside the car, he told, my God, this car has no engine. The owner was really bewildered. He was taken aback. He told, what are you telling? This car is not having an engine. Then how did I drive this car for the last 1 year, 365 days without an engine? The Rolls-Royce mechanic smiled and said, sir, you can drive a Rolls-Royce for 1 year on the goodwill of our company. I am asking Lions a question. Can we run this organization only on the basis of the goodwill we created for the last 104 years? Or shouldn't we create new goodwill for this organization called Lions Club International? That is what I am going to talk to you about, next steps to next level. Just watch a small video. You will be happy to know some new insights. Or new goodwill for this Lions Club International. About next step. Just watch a small video. You will be goodwill we created. Happy to know some new insights. Or new goodwill for this Lions Club International. About next step. Just watch a small video. You will be goodwill we created. Happy to know some new insights. Or new goodwill for this Lions Club International. About next step. Just watch a small video. You will be goodwill we created. Happy to know some new insights. Or new goodwill for this Lions Club International. About next step. Just watch a small video. You will be goodwill we created. Happy to know some new insights. Or new goodwill for this Lions Club International. About next step. Just watch a small video. You will be goodwill we created. Happy to know some new insights. Or new goodwill for this Lions Club International. About next step. Just watch a small video. You will be goodwill we created. Happy to know some new insights. Or new goodwill for this Lions Club International. About next step. Just watch a small video. You will be goodwill we created. Happy to know some new insights. Or new goodwill for this Lions Club International. About next step. Just watch a small video. You will be goodwill we created. Happy to know some new insights. Or new goodwill for this Lions Club International. About next step. Just watch a small video. You will be goodwill we created. Happy to know some new insights. Or new goodwill for this Lions Club International. About next step. Just watch a small video. You will be goodwill we created. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, this is a video produced by Apple, the world-renowned company, during the days of pandemic. Among those beautiful and very, very thought-provoking statements which are there in the video, what influenced me the most is one statement. Relentless optimism is the thing that moves the world forward. Think differently. Don't follow the path, always follow the vision. You are the difference between the world it was and the world which is going to be a better place. I repeat, you are the difference between the world that was and the world that is going to be a better place. What is needed? Different thinking. Yes, you and me, the Lions and Leos, are the difference between Lions Club International, what it was, and Lions Club International, what it is going to be in the future. So we want to take that next level with that relentless optimism and the different style of thinking. That is what we have to do. I'm asking a question, are you ready to be born again? Are you ready to be born again? I'm not talking about a second life. In this life, are you ready to be born again? What is the difference of people, those who are born again or they have newborn babies? Just imagine, 58 years back, I'm just imagining the day I was born. I don't remember it at all. Or at least that newborn days of my life. Look here, the newborns, they are always free. There is nothing in their mind, they are totally free. And the newborns, they have no fears. Absolutely no fears. When you travel by a flight aircraft and the aircraft is just actually jumping through an air pocket and it is actually dancing in the air, you just watch a baby. Does the baby cry? No. They have no fears in their life. Okay, no prejudices. They never have, this activity, diabetes. Lions Club International is taken up, it has taken up diabetes. Are we going to do any remedy to this big problem? I don't think so. Vision, how long we have been doing this vision? 9.1 million cataract surgeries we have already conducted in the world. Why should we continue the project with? Hey, you are doing Lions Quest and are you changing the youngsters? I don't think the youngsters will ever change. These types of prejudices are not there in the mind of a newborn baby. No hang-ups. They don't have the hang-ups of the past and no mindsets that is stopping them. So what I'm very humbly appealing and requesting you, the Lions and Leos, try to be born again as a Leo. Try to be born again as a lion. LCI needs new gen thought leaders. We need new generation thought leaders. They are open thinkers. We have to be open thinkers. We have to have flexible minds. We have to have unhesitant advances. Don't stop. Go. Unhesitant advances. Brave resolves. We need Lion volunteers and Leo volunteers who are capable to take challenging decisions. Brave resolves. Broad visions. We need leaders and Lions with broad visions, and we need big achievers. That is what I'm asking the question. Are you prototype or proactive type? Are you a prototype Lion doing what others always do? A Xerox copy, a copy paste of someone else? Or are you a prototype Lion who is ready to find solutions to tomorrow's problems today? Are you prototype or proactive? Do you see chance first or challenge first? Come on, when there is a crisis in any voluntary organization faces, are you a person who see an opportunity first or you see the change or the danger first? Okay. Can you see a vision in an illusion? Can you see a vision? Illusion is something that you cannot see with clarity. But I'm asking, even in a thing, an object and an image which is illusionary, if you are a capable person, you can find a vision in an illusion. So dear Lions, Leos and Lady Lions, I request you, please be ready to be born again. Come on, be ready to be born again as a volunteer of this great organization. Now, let me tell you something. The word crisis, the word crisis is always very well known to all of us. There is a very funny thing or a very, very, interesting thing to note. The word crisis, if you split that word in Chinese language, it has two characteristics. The word crisis has two characteristics. What are they? One representing danger. The first one representing danger and the other one representing opportunity. Come on. The word crisis can be split into two characteristics as per Chinese language. The first one representing danger, the second one representing opportunity. What do you see? If at all we have a crisis of membership retention, we all of us know that we had a very huge amount of membership drop in the last year. It happens almost every year. Yesterday we came the board executive decision that LCI decided to extend the admission fee waiver, charter fee waiver till 30th of June. Why? Why are we doing that for the last 2 years? Because we want to stop our members leaving this organization. We want to give some financial support during this pandemic period of difficulty. So how do you see this all? How do you see this all, my dear Lions? Do you see it as a danger or do you see it as an opportunity? That is up to you and me to decide. Let us look into the opportunity of the new world, the euphoric environment in which you and me are. Now, I just want to share with you the amazing story of British cycling. In 2004, a gentleman called Dave Brailsford was appointed as the performance coach of British Cycling Company. What were the records of the Brits till that time? Their total tally of an Olympic medal in cycling was only one, till 2004. No Brit has ever won Tour de France till 2004. At that situation only Dave Brailsford came. He understood he cannot make a 360-degree change in the team all on a sudden. Lions and Leos, believe me, the most popular branded bicycle manufacturing companies were not even ready to sell their bicycles or their bikes to British team because they will use the bike, they will never get the medals, and people will blame the cycle. That was the pathetic situation. He brought some changes. Just see what are the changes he brought in. Tiny changes, small changes. Number one change, he redesigned the bike seats to make them more comfortable, changing the bike seat. Second one, rubbed alcohol on the tires for a better grip. I don't know, it was a new information to me. He rubbed alcohol on the cycle tires for a better grip. When alcohol goes inside a human being, we lose our grip, but it happens opposite to the cycle tires. And then, third one, biofeedback sensors to monitor how each athlete responded to a particular workout. The morning workout I am doing, and my dear friend Lion Manoj Govind, the very renowned trainer of India, who is with me now, what morning workout that Manoj Govind is doing, what morning workout I am doing, what he is doing may not be good for me. What I am doing may not be good for him. So he experimented, biofeedback sensors were installed to see which morning workout helps the athlete in the best way. Third one, tested different types of massage gels to see which one led to fastest muscle recovery. Suppose you have a muscle cramp, immediately you take Volini, Iodex, Rumarab. No. He applied all the different types of gels and decided which one is the best. Then next one, hired a surgeon to teach each rider the best way to wash their hands to reduce the chances of catching cold. Wow, what is this? He hired a doctor to teach the cyclists how to wash their hands. Recently, we also have to teach ourselves that during Corona time. Why? If they do not wash their hands properly, they will catch cold and that will create problem to them. What a small change here. What a tiny change. Then, determine the type of pillow and mattress that led to the best night's sleep for each rider. You know, he decided what type of a mat should be given to this guy, what type of a pillow to be given to this guy. So he changed the mattress and pillows as per the physique of each rider. What a small change, but, you know, and finally, painted inside the team truck white, which helped them spot little bits of dust. They wanted his players to be more observant. He wanted his, the riders to be more observant. And now, what was the result? What was the result? My dear Lions and Leos, believe me, in 2008 Beijing Olympics, British cycling team got 60% of the entire medals. In 2012 London Olympics, British team got 90% of entire Olympics medals. There are 10 Olympics gold medals in cycling, and Brits got 9 medals. That too, 7 medals with a new world record. And from 2012 to 2017, 5 times the Britishers continuously achieved or won Tour de France. How could he make such a very, 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 very poor performing team to this level? Tiny changes, small changes. So what I'm telling, my dear friends, the power of tiny gains. I request you, Lions and Leos and landladies, are you ready to improve your service in Lionism, your commitment in Lionism, your performance in Lionism, 1% by day? Only 1%. If every Lions Club president, if every Lions Club secretary, if every Lions Club member, 14 lakhs plus members all over the world, are taking an oath today, a pledge today. I will improve by 1% my commitment and service to Lionism every day. Every day. My dear friends, at the end of the year, your club will be performing 37 times better. You will become 37 times better a leader, a volunteer. And if you go 1% down at the end of this period, at the end of this year, you will become zero. You will become zero. So for next steps to next level, I am not educating you. I am not putting any pressure to you to make, as I told you, a 360-degree change. No. Improve by 1%. Do you think it is difficult? Impossible to a lion to change or improve every day by 1%? Absolutely no. It's possible. It's possible. So try to make it, my dear friends. Now let me tell you, I just want to give you some success strategies. In the new world, to reach the next levels of Lionism, there are a few success strategies. Strategy number 1, be humble, hungry, and smart. These 3 qualities are the qualities needed for a person to get along with others. I repeat, 3 qualities absolutely inevitable for a lion to get along with others. You have to be humble in the sense you must admit your mistakes. You must admit your mistakes. When Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru became the Prime Minister of the country, he called the meeting of all the top military officers. And he told them, you people do not have any experience of leading a military force, an armed force. What I am going to do, I am requesting British Prime Minister to depute a British military officer. 2 years he will be in India. And 2 years he will be managing the show. You learn from him. And after that, when you get sufficient experience, one among you will be taken as the head of Indian Armed Force. Any opinion? One military officer called Nattur Singh Rathore stood up and asked him a question. Mr. Prime Minister, you tell that none of us are having experience to become the head of Indian Armed Force, right? Then I'm asking a question. You also don't have the experience to become the Prime Minister. You never ruled a country. Why couldn't you ask a British man to come to India and become the Prime Minister for 2 years and you learn after you become the Prime Minister? Come on. You think, whom did that military officer ask the question? To Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Nehru immediately smiled and told him, yes, my dear friend, then I offer the post to you. Will you please accept? He told, I don't want to take it up because there is a senior person to me. Please give the opportunity to him. He will do it. Who is that? General Cariappa. That is how General Cariappa became the first head of Indian Armed Force. I tell you, be humble. When people are telling that your lion's activity is not up to the mark, you are doing something wrong, please change your style. Please accept our mistakes and correct ourselves. That is humble. What is hungry? Hungry means we must have hunger to get better results. Hungry of results, not food. As a part of the AP4VP campaign, we celebrated 1 week the birthday of Deb Alexander, our international president. And the ISAME, the AP4VP campaign team decided to have hunger as a project. My God, can you believe the great acceptability the whole world has shown to our leader, the future, the coming world president from India, PID AP Singh. 3 million food meals were provided during 1 week time. 3 million. Why? Because the lions all over the world, especially in Nizame, were hungry for results to be created. Because it is our tribute to our international president, birthday gift, and it is for rededication to the support we are giving to our third vice president candidate, AP Singh. So be hungry for results and be smart. Smart means get along with the people, solve conflicts. Smartness is the quality of keeping people together, taking them together in your hand. So that's solving the conflicts. That is what actually smartness. Second one, be an explorer. Come on, explore. I told you, Vinisha, that girl, the Vinisha, that girl who went to spoke at Glasgow climate change conference, she explored the possibility, how can I help these ironing people? So that actually helped her to make a new invention. Come on, explore. What new ideas you can locally, we all say that think globally, act locally. Lions Club International, though, gives us 5 major global causes. Nothing stops you to find out a beautiful program and project in your locality, catering to the needs of the people in your locality. So come on, you please explore the possibility of new projects, new ideas, explore the possibility of bringing new and new members. So explore, be an explorer. Third one, be a futurist. Yeah, just like that Apple Pursuit video told, be a futurist. Yes, Lionism has continued its journey last 104 years. It is going to continue for thousands of years, and we are growing to grow. Or we are definitely growing every day. Every day we will grow. Always be that futurist. Always carry. Don't think about your presidentship this year, Mr. President. Don't just think about the secretaryship this year, Mr. Secretary. Come on. You must think about the coming years. I tell you, once a club president is actually finishing his or her term or tenure and leaves, there must be 10 people coming forward in your club say that, I want to become the next president. I want to become the next president. That is generating that leadership. So you have to be a futurist about your club, about Lions Club International. And then again, be a technology teenager. We are moving through a technology explosion. Lions Club International is one of the best websites in the world. You can learn and you can study everything through our website. And our website, our verticals like LLC, Lions Learning Center, gives you the best of the best modules and designs and training materials in the world. Are you a technology explorer? Are you a technology teenager? Come on, some people, they buy a new gadget and they will give their son who is studying in 5th standard, telling, hello, please download these applications, please keep it ready, please enable all these things in my new gadget. We cannot remain like the elders who depend upon the young boys who are studying in 5th standard or 6th standard, asking them to keep our gadgets enabled and ready. No, we have to have some technology idea. We have to be a technology teenager. At any age, you can learn it. At any age. Don't worry, I'm 65, I'm 70, 75. Come on, nothing. Barack Obama very well said, a man becomes illiterate whether he is 18 or 80 the moment he stops learning. The moment he stops learning, a man becomes illiterate, even he is 18 years of age or 80 years of age. So, be a technology teenager. And then, be a catalyst. Change must begin from you. As like Mahatma Ji, the founder of the father of the country, father of the nation, India, the great millennium world leader, Mahatma Ji told, be the change you want to see in the world. It's a very popular quote, very old one also, but still very, very relevant. You have to be the change agent. You want your club's meetings to be more entertaining? Who will start? You want your projects to be more involved with your members? Who will start? You want the proper reporting of service activities happening in your club in MyLand, app? Who will start? You want new members to be brought into this organization and quality members to be brought into the organization. Who will start? Come on, all those changes must begin from you. All those changes must start from you, not from anyone else. So you have to be a catalyst. I tell you, if you want to take your club to the next level, the change must begin from you. The change must start from you. Start it like that. And coming to the final part of the presentation, I just want to tell you, how can we move forward? What is the way to move forward? My first suggestion to move forward, that means to the next level. The first step to the next level. The next step to the next level, focusing on member engagement. Why drop? Why attrition has become a major challenge of Lionism? Because we are not involving our members. Be honest. We are not involving our members. So they are not interested sometimes. There are two questions. Whether a member is coming to Lionism for gaining or for meaning. I repeat, whether the members are coming to Lionism for gaining something or understanding the meaning of Lionism. If somebody has come to Lionism only to gain something, I don't feel that they will continue. I don't think that they will remain as a member for long. Because the moment they feel that I'm not gaining what I expected, sorry, goodbye, they will quit. But if a member joins our international association of Lions Clubs, understanding the meaning of the words we serve, understand the meaning of this organization, understanding the quality of this, camaraderie, the friendship and fellowship we get. Friends, they will remain. They will remain. Keep them involved. Once upon a time, that residential association, every fortnight they will have their meeting. One gentleman stopped going to the meeting. 2-3 meetings he was not attending. The president of the association was feeling, why this guy suddenly became inactive? One day evening, without any prior information, he went to the house of this man. This man was sitting near to the fireplace, warming his hands in that cold weather. He rang the bell, he welcomed him inside. The president of the association took a chair, he also went and sat near to that fireplace. Both of them did not speak anything. After 2-3 minutes, the president of the association saw there were so many logs were burning. Out of the different number of logs which were burning in the fireplace, one was very, very bright. Very, very bright. The fire was dancing in the air so wonderfully well. And what this guy do? The president took that log with the best brightness, the top brightness, he took it and he kept it outside. Okay. After 2-3 minutes, what happened? After 2-3 minutes, it so simply happened that the log which was brightening so wonderfully well, it died out, entire flame went out, and now it is almost like a charcoal. Okay. You understand what I am telling? After 2-3 minutes, the president took that charcoal-like log and posted it again into the fireplace. It once again started burning. Once again started burning very well. Wonderfully well, it once again started burning. Yes, it was getting burning. Now the fire is actually dancing in the sky, and the log once again getting the fire from other logs. The log was burning so wonderfully well. Hope you are following the story, right? Okay. And this guy, the president, stood up. He stood up. He didn't say anything. Shaking hand with him, good night. He was just moving out of the home. The member who was not actually attending the meeting went near to him. He shook a hand with the president once again and told him, sorry, I will not miss any meetings in future. I will attend all the meetings in future. What is the moral of the story? The president was a person who really understood that the member has some issue. Otherwise, he will not abstain from meetings. Rather than just ignoring the member, the president went to his home. He didn't speak anything. He just demonstrated a small thing that you get energy only from others. You are burning and you spread that fire only because others are burning with you. And if you stand alone, you can never shine. Lions, Leos and landladies, I just want to tell you, you be like the president of the residents association in this story. Go, tell the people, your members, we are a family. We are the members of a family. Let us all stand together. Let us all join our hands together. I will give energy to you. I will take energy from you. We will all give energy. We will all assimilate energy from each other, and so that we can all shine brightly in this world of service. So please, one way and the only way forward to make Lionism moving forward and the best of the best organization is ensuring member engagement or focusing on member engagement. Don't focus about your individual achievement of becoming zone chair or region chair or vice governor or governor or council chairperson alone. That can definitely be focused, but focus on member engagement. Now, optimizing technology. I already told you. Optimizing technology. The success strategies I told you. Yeah, optimization means actually managing to the fullest. I just ask you a question. Very simply, I'm asking a question, my dear friends. Don't take it as a blame. I'm just asking you, how many of you have logged on to Lions Learning Center and have completed at least one course? You just raise your hand. How many of you? At least one course. There are beautiful courses like communication skills, public speaking skills, team management skills, conflict resolution skills. Lots, so many. Training to presidents, secretaries, vice presidents, zone chairman, region chairman. How many of you have logged on? Very easy, no? Very easy. If you have a login ID and password in www.lionsclubs.org, it is easy for you to go in the members login and you can find learn and you just click learn. It will take you to Lions Learning Center and you can enjoy that. But many of us are not doing. Many of us are not doing. Why? Because we don't want to use such a technology. We want to be very, very comfortable with our old style of living. I don't want to make it. A bank manager always drives his car to the office. A dog will always run behind the car for 1 kilometer. After that, the dog will go back. One day, the manager asked the owner of the dog, "Why does your dog run behind me every day and your dog can never defeat me in running?" That is really surprising me. And then the owner of the dog said, "Sir, what surprises me is something else. Suppose my dog defeats you, and what will my dog do after that?" You know, people may be actually thinking such things only. Are we running behind the proper thing, or are we running properly? Are we running for a result? Are we running for something that is quantifiably achieved in life, or are we just actually running our years out? Come on. If you think at the age of 50, the same way you are thinking at the age of 20. I repeat, if you carry the same thinking level, same thoughts at the age of 50 that you had at the age of 20, my dear Lions and Leos, sorry to say, you have wasted 30 years of your life. Think differently, yeah? Technology opens you something amazing, something that is really exciting. Why don't we use that technology properly? Use it. Now, reworking strategy. You know, you cannot play today's games with yesterday's tricks. You have to change it. You have to change it. You know, actually, we know that all organizations, every organization has to change their tricks. They have to change their strategies. So please rework. If you do not find the youngsters coming to our organization, please rework. If people are not interested to come to the meetings because they are getting boring and long, please rework. If people are not ready to volunteer to participate in our projects, please rework your strategy. If people are not ready to come forward to contribute something to the LCIF, please rework your strategy. So it is the only way. What Dave Brailsford did, reworking strategy. A Russian guy, he bought a Mercedes-Benz car. It was getting complained again and again. 5 times he went to repair, nothing happened. Then he took the car to an open ground and he set it fire. He set it fire. The cost of the car is almost 1.6 CR in Indian rupees. He set it on fire. And he shot or recorded every moment of him, setting his Mercedes-Benz on fire. And by posting that video in the YouTube, he gained 8 crores rupees. Can you imagine? Can you believe? Strategy. Come on, I don't recommend you to take your BMW tomorrow and set on fire. But I'm telling about strategy. Rework your strategy. Next one, withdrawing rituals. Sorry, you may think bad about this. Why unnecessarily long introductions? Why unnecessarily long welcome speeches? Why unnecessary long meeting procedures? Why unnecessary all these rituals? You go to international conventions. I also attended 2 international conventions. I never found any, flag salutation rendered over there. I never found somebody coming and making a welcome. I never found somebody coming and making a reading out of 3 pages biodata. I know if our leader PID AP Singh comes and I have heard it many times and I also introduced him once. We will all go, we will take minimum, whenever our stalwart leaders are coming, we take 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Some people even go. They will introduce the speaker more than the time the speaker speaks. Come on. When are we going to stop these rituals here? Which new generation is ready to suffer and tolerate all these rituals. Let us make, run away, do away with such rituals. Make it is everything time conscious. So withdrawing rituals unnecessary. Not everything I'm telling. Unnecessary rituals in meetings and formalities and procedures. Please, this is my personal opinion. You can differ with me. I'm sorry, but I'm telling what I feel. Okay. And then approaching new markets. Go to new markets. Yeah, people are ready to be a part of Lionism. Are we approaching them? Approaching new markets. That is what one of the 4 areas of LCI forward. We have to approach new markets. You have to go to new places, new areas, new segments. And then reinforcing commitment. No, when we're talking about reinforcing commitment, yes, we have to reinforce our commitment to the Lion motto, we serve. We have to reinforce the commitment of visibility. It was in 1970 World Cup football quarter-final contest. Quarter-final was between Peru and Brazil. When the game was about to start and the referee gave the whistle, suddenly everybody saw Pelé requesting something to the referee. And suddenly the entire cameras, it was the first World Cup where it's a color transmission, live streaming in the color format started in World Cup. Okay, everybody saw Pelé, both of his laces of the shoes were loose. Laces were not tight. They were not tied. Everybody saw Pelé kneeling down and, tying his laces. And the entire time the cameras were totally focusing a shoe that Pelé was wearing, and it was written Puma. On the shoe it was written Puma. For 15-20 seconds the world saw only Puma. You know how much Pelé got for that? $1,20,000 in 1970. Something around 10 lakhs, $1 million today. Why? The owner of Puma went to him and requested him, sir, please do this. I want my brand to be visible to the world. Because there was a war between Adidas and Puma in the sneakers advertisement. Pelé got the money, $1,20,000, and he did it, and Puma got the advertisement, the best of the best advertisement in the world. I tell you sometimes, when we actually show something that if I'm committed to make my organization known to the world, if I'm committed to make my organization acceptable by others, if I'm committed to make my organization growing day by day, I can do that by hook or crook. I'm not advocating negative methods. By any way, I will find a way. Okay. And my dear friends, let us come to the last point, developing second line. That is why I talked to you about developing second line. What is your image? Your image means you in your absence. Once you leave your presidentship or once you leave the office or post you are holding in the club, will the other members be ready to accept this post? So please develop second line. Please develop second line. That is what always, you may be forgotten sometimes by the world that you only brought this guy up. But that person, that gentleman or lady whom you mentored, whom you guided, whom you properly counseled will never forget you, and your club will never forget. They will tell, this gentleman only made me the lion of this stature, the lion of these achievements. So my dear friends, just remember the word forward. Focusing on member engagement, optimizing technology, reworking strategy, withdrawing rituals, approaching new markets, reinforcing commitment, and developing second line. Let me tell you a beautiful statement by Leonardo DiCaprio, the Titanic superhero in the world. And he told, every next level of your life will demand a different you. Every next level of your life, every next level of your club demands a different you. I request all of you Lions who listen to me in this Isame Forum seminar on this topic, next steps to next level. Try to be born again. Come on, try to be born again and try to become a different you. Let me remind you, growing old is mandatory. Growing old is mandatory, but growing up is optional. Growing up is optional. I thank all of you, and I'm so happy that actually our leaders, PID Sangeeta Jatia and PID AP Singh, has given me a small trainer from Kerala to present a topic in this Isame Forum. And I request all of you to carry at least that last acronym, that forward, that only one forward. And please remember, every day, try to improve your service in Lionism by 1%. I wish all the very best to you. Let us all see in Montreal with our dream to see our stalwart leader, our tall leader, our great leader, our mentor, motivator, philosopher and guide, Lion AP Singh is getting elected as the third international vice president with a thumping majority. Thank you very much. Goodbye.